Hi everyone, it's still Ben from Kiru Energy. Today we are going to be showing you guys how to set your battery cutoff voltage on a Felicity inverter system. Almost all the Felicity inverter system has the same type of settings. So what works in this system, which is a 3.5 kVA system, can still work in any other Felicity system, including their 1.5 kVA system or even their transformerless inverter system, as long as it's within this model or version. So today we are going to show you guys how to set your cutoff voltage. So for you to set for a cutoff voltage, first of all, you have to go and select your battery type. So let's start from there. So the first thing you do is you come to this particular button. We call this an enter button. You hold on it. You hold on it for at least 5 seconds. It will switch you to settings. So once you enter these settings, you can use these two buttons here to navigate, and then use this one to go back. So you move 1, we're going to program 5. 1, this is program 2, program 3, program 5. This is program 5. Remember, it's not sequential. You can have program 1, program 2, and next program 5. There's no program 4. So once you get to program 5, the next thing you want to do is to press enter here. So once you press enter, it enters here. So right now our battery is set as flooded. That's FLD. That means flooded battery, or the one you call tubular battery or wet cell. Because the battery we are using here is a flooded battery, that's why I've set it to be FLD. However, if you leave your battery in flooded battery setting, okay, the setting is out. Let me go back again. If you leave your battery at flooded, you may not be able to set the cutoff voltage. The system will automatically set the cutoff voltage for you. If you want to set the cutoff voltage yourself, you have to put the battery in USE. USE means user defined. So if you put it on user defined, you can easily set your cutoff voltage at program 11. But like I said, if you set it at LIB, LIB means lithium battery. If you set it at LIB or AGN, this AGM means AGM, that's the dry cell battery, the system automatically update that program 11 and it will disable it for you to set, so you can't set it. So for us to set our battery cutoff voltage, we have to first of all take it to user defined. User defined gives you enables you to set your battery cutoff voltage and other setting to your own preference. So after you've set USD, you will now press enter. Once we press enter, we'll move to the next program. Program 6, which is program 7. These ones, we're not talking about these ones today, but let's go straight to program 11. So on program 11, this is where you set your battery cutoff voltage. So when you get to program 11, you press enter. So the battery cutoff voltage is in most Felicity system, it's ranging from for a 20 volt system, or if your system is 24 volts, the range is between 21 volts to 26 volts. If you are on a 12 volt system or 48 volt system, if you're on a 48 volt system, the range is between 42 volts to 52 volts. If you're on a 24 volt system, you should have a range of 10 volts to 10 volts to about 14.4 volts. But for this system is a 24 volt system. So let's go back again. Let's go back to program 11 and set our battery cutoff voltage. So we all know for a flooded battery cutoff voltage should be around 21 volts. So at program 11, we press enter. From here, we can increase or decrease the figure. So this is 21.2, 21.3, 21.4, 21.5, 21.6, 21.7, 21.8, 21.9. So this figure is incremental. It's going to be incrementing by 0.1 until you select the desired cutoff voltage. You can reduce it from here, and you can also increase. Like I said, it ranges from, for a 24 volt system, it ranges from 21 volts to 42 point. So 42, that's from 21 volts to 26 volts. Yeah, so we're going to set 21 volts, which is our desired battery cutoff voltage. And here you go. This is 21 volts. And then when you finish setting it, or when you are done setting, you press enter. And then once you press enter, the settings has been saved. And this is how it's going to be. It's not going to wipe out again. It's going to be like this until next time you want to set it. So this is how you can set your cutoff voltage for a Felicity inverter. Other inverters that use this same firmware, like Felicity uses, for instance, Yoaco inverter, Choice inverter. There are some other inverters that use the same software firmware with Felicity. The settings is the same. Okay, but the other inverter that doesn't use the same firmware with this, the setting is quite different. So I think that is it for now. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and most especially hit the bell button that any other time we drop a video, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you, and bye.